Good morning, Year 4. Welcome to Thursday's book club session. So let's go through the new words for today before we look at the questions. So the first word is flit. So this is a verb, it's a doing word. And if we say that something is flitting or you flit, it often means to move swiftly and lightly. Shutters. So these are a pair of panels, often made from wood, fixed to the inside or outside of a window to provide safety and shade. You often find them in hotter countries than England. And finally, majestic. This is an adjective and it's often used to describe something of greatness and excellence. So, chapter 4, only 3 questions today. Remember, Session 4 is all about chapter 4, so we're keeping it nice and simple. And once you've listened to me go through these questions with you, you can head to the video of Miss Samra reading chapter 4 and you can read along with her if you've got your book at home. And as you come across the answers to each of these questions, you can write them down. So, the first question is, how does Tamarind look like her mum? So she and her mum look quite similar. But how do they look similar? That's a retrieval question. So the answer will be there in the book. Second question. What strange sounds has Tamarind heard so far? These are also able to be retrieved from the book. They might not all be on the same page, so be careful for that. Keep a lookout for them as you're reading. And finally, this is a question that's going to ask you to think about vocabulary that the author has used. So think about the words, the vocabulary the author has used to describe the garden. Draw a picture of it and label it with phrases and words from the text. So as you get to the description of the garden in the book, close your eyes and listen to Miss Samra read and think about the picture that you're painting in your mind because of the words that the author has used. And I'd like you to draw the picture of the garden that you've got in your mind. And then you can label it. So for example, if the author describes purple flowers, you might imagine and then draw purple flowers. So you can label it with purple flowers, just like the author has called them. Those are your questions for today. Well done, and I'll see you for tomorrow's final book club session of the week. Well done.